Delegates to please be seated. Thank you. May I request Ms. Sundarajan, Mr. Tripathi, Mr. Lavneesh, and Dr. Gupta to please join us on the stage. Thank you. Could we have a round of applause, please? May I request Dr. Gupta to please welcome our esteemed guests with our bunch of flowers. A round of applause, please. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to welcome you all to the ELETS Digital Gov Summit 2015. The August gathering here will be deliberating on the theme of policy and program-led holistic transformation using ICT to the creation of Digital India. With the aim of leveraging technology to enable change, the Government of India has launched the ambitious Digital India program, centered around providing digital infrastructure as a utility to every citizen, governance and services on demand and focus on the digital empowerment of citizens. Government of India has embarked upon a new journey of delivering of government services to the citizens. The initiative is looking at bringing accountability and transparency through the means of digital governance. Along with it, Government of India is also trying to change the infrastructure landscape with programs like Smart City and manufacturing scenario with Make in India campaign. And in all of these programs, ICT will have a special role to play. Digital governance is indeed the way to move forward. In this context, ELETS Tech Media is proud to announce Digital Gov Summit 2015. With a number of key stakeholders present from various departments of Government of India ministries and supporting missions and bodies who will be joining us throughout the day, we look forward to the exchange of thoughts, ideas, and visions on this platform. The summit is supported by eGov, Asia's premier magazine on use of ICT in governance, and powered by SAP, the leader in enterprise applications. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank our associate sponsors, Money on Mobile and Trend Micro. Without any further delay, I would now like to invite Dr. Ravi Gupta, CEO, ELETS Technomedia Private Limited, to give the welcome address. Please give a big round of applause for Dr. Ravi Gupta.
Welcome all. It's my honor to have on the stage Aruna Sundarajan, who is from very. So with this brief, I think, framework of the whole day session, we will start this whole day of deliberations, and I encourage all the audience to deliberate and ask questions also. Thank you so much.